everyone, welcome back to Listify Life, your go-to place for fascinating facts and fun knowledge. Today we've got 10 incredible facts that will totally blow your mind. Let's dive right in and take a closer look at these amazing truths. Number 1. Bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. Let's start with a little fruit confusion. It turns out bananas are technically berries, while strawberries are not. Surprising, right? So, what makes a berry a berry? Botanically speaking, a berry is a fleshy fruit produced from a single ovary. In bananas, the seeds are inside the flesh, fitting the scientific definition of a berry. But strawberries don't follow this rule. The tiny seeds you see on the outside disqualify them. In fact, strawberries belong to a group called aggregate fruits, which form from multiple ovaries. Fun bonus fact. This also means cucumbers, tomatoes, and even eggplants are considered berries. Who knew salads could be so confusing? Number 2. Octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood. Octopuses are mind-blowing animals. Not only do they have 3 hearts, but they also have blue blood. Let's break it down. 2 of their hearts are used to pump blood to their gills, while the 3rd heart pumps blood to the rest of their body. But it doesn't stop there. Their blue blood is due to a copper-based molecule called hemocyanin, which is more efficient at transporting oxygen in cold water than the iron-based hemoglobin in our red blood. And if that wasn't impressive enough, octopuses can also regenerate limbs, change color to blend into their surroundings, and even solve puzzles. They're basically the escape artists of the ocean. Number 3. The Eiffel Tower can grow taller in summer. Yes, the Eiffel Tower grows taller in the summer. You might be wondering how. Well, it's all due to something called thermal expansion. When materials, especially metals like iron, are heated, their particles move more and take up extra space. This causes the entire structure to expand. So, during hot summer days, the Eiffel Tower can grow up to 6 inches taller. Imagine telling people that your summer trip to Paris made the Eiffel Tower taller. And don't worry, once it cools down, the tower shrinks back to its normal size. It's a tiny change, but still an interesting quirk for one of the most iconic landmarks in the world. Number 4. Sharks existed before trees. This one really takes you back in time. Sharks have been around for more than 400 million years, which is long before the first trees appeared on Earth. To put that into perspective, dinosaurs only appeared about 230 million years ago, meaning sharks were already swimming around for 170 million years before the Tyrannosaurus rex even existed. What makes sharks so successful is their incredible adaptability. Over millions of years, they've evolved into over 500 different species, from the gigantic whale shark to the infamous great white. And some ancient shark species were even bigger than the megalodon, the stuff of nightmares. Number 5. Your body has more bacterial cells than human cells. It sounds hard to believe, but your body is home to more bacterial cells than human cells. Estimates suggest the ratio is around 10 to 1. These trillions of bacteria, also known as your microbiome, play a crucial role in your health. From helping with digestion to boosting your immune system, these tiny organisms are more friends than foes. Number 6. There's a planet where it rains diamonds. Ever dreamed of a place where diamonds fall from the sky? On planets like Neptune and Uranus, that might actually be a reality. Due to the extreme pressure and temperature deep within these ice giants, scientists believe carbon atoms can crystallize into diamonds, creating diamond rain. While we can't visit these planets to see it in person just yet, laboratory experiments here on Earth have recreated similar conditions, producing tiny diamond formations. Just imagine the weather report. Today on Neptune, expect scattered showers of diamonds. Now that's a forecast I'd love to see. Number 7. Honey never spoils. If you have a jar of honey in your pantry, don't worry about its expiration date. It doesn't have one. Honey has an incredibly long shelf life, thanks to its low moisture content and natural acidity. In fact, archaeologists have discovered honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that's still perfectly edible, even after thousands of years. Honey's natural preservatives like hydrogen peroxide and its acidic environment help prevent bacteria and mold from growing. So, that jar of honey in your cupboard? It's pretty much eternal. Number 8. A day on Venus is longer than its year. Venus has some seriously weird timekeeping. While Earth's day lasts 24 hours, one day on Venus, meaning one full rotation, takes 243 Earth days. But here's the kicker. Venus's year, the time it takes to orbit the Sun, is shorter than its day. A Venusian year lasts only about 225 Earth days. This means that if you lived on Venus, you'd experience an entire year of daylight followed by a year of night. Talk about the longest workday ever. Number 9. Cows are best friends and get stressed when separated. Did you know that cows are surprisingly emotional animals? Studies show that they form close bonds within their herds and can even have best friends. When separated from their friends, cows show signs of stress, like increased heart rates and agitation. Cows are incredibly social and intelligent creatures. They recognize individual faces, remember people who are kind or mean to them, and can even solve simple puzzles. So, the next time you see cows grazing in a field, know that they're not just eating, they're socializing with their pals. Number 10. Butterflies can taste with their feet. Butterflies might look delicate, but they have a superpower. You won't believe this, but they can taste with their feet. When a butterfly lands on a plant, sensors on their feet allow them to detect chemicals and sugars, helping them decide if it's a good place to lay eggs or feed. Imagine walking into a restaurant and deciding what to eat based on what your feet tell you. For butterflies, it's all about efficiency. And that's it. 10 incredible facts that prove truth is often stranger than fiction. If you enjoyed learning something new, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more fun facts as they come out. See you next time.